actions. So here guys, when it comes to the list, let me just go to the garage issue form here, garage issue list. This is actually garage issue list. Especially for list, in the client side, we have an API called glide list. So like we have glide form for the forms. Glide form will not work on the list. Glide list will not work on the form. For list especially, we will use glide list API. When it comes to the list, right, you will use glide list. So if you write glide form for this list, it will not work. In the form, if you use glide list, it will not work. Glide list is for list, glide form is for form. Okay, clear or not? So here we will actually check glide list API. So not feeling well, man.
Can just
No. I don't want to give you rest. Okay. So glide list can be accessed using G underscore list. Glide form can be accessed using G underscore form. Glide user can be accessed using G underscore user. Here, glide list you will be accessing using G underscore list. So glide list is a JavaScript class is used to customize lists. Okay. So the variable G underscore list is used to access specified list object. G underscore list variable is not available in the related list form link UI action. Okay. It is available to the list form link UI action. Okay. These methods are used in UI context menu and UI actions. These are the functions that are available. So add filter. So in the list, if you want to add a filter, you can actually add a filter. We have get object. Get checked. Get checked means how many records you selected, that comes under get checked. If you want to set the filter for this list, you will use G underscore list dot set filter. G underscore list dot add filter. So these are all the functions available. So most of the time, 99% of the time, you don't get requirement to use glide list. But however, I'll explain you how exactly this glide list is used. Okay, fine. So what am I going to do is, you will select the records from the list. Whenever I click on this button, I should be able to show the button in the list. Whenever I click on the button, current logged in user should be shown in the assign to. That is actually one case. So guys, two requirements. One is assign to me. Second one is bulk assign. First requirement assign to me. Second requirement bulk assign. First requirement I am going to explain now. First requirement is how many records you select here, and when you click on assign to me, these all are the records should be assigned to current logged in user. Let us say if you have selected one record, you have selected two records and you clicked on assign to me button. So once you click on that button, these two records should be assigned to current logged in user. That is actually first thing. Second thing, you have to show another button called bulk assign. When you click on that button, it should show the UI page. In the UI page, you should be able to select the person whom you want to assign. You will, let us say you are selecting able tutor. So after clicking on update, able tutor name, able tutor should be in the assign to person. Okay, this is not an easy task. Try to understand it clearly. Okay, I am going to create a UI action, guys. Right click configure UI actions. What is the UI action name? First one I am going to cover is assign to me. Just a moment, guys. List banner button. Okay. This should be client callable.
The hint you are written in a hint actually. You have to on click, right?
Good catch, man. Okay. So first what am I doing is I am checking how many records you selected here. Okay. Where is equal to G underscore list dot checked. This function will actually give you the records, how many records you checked. Not empty, else empty. Alert. Please select at least one record. If no record is selected, you are saying please select at least one record. Let us say if you have selected at least one record, then you will write a glide ajax here. You will write a glide ajax here. Hmm? So our script include is this one, CA details. So we've been continuously using this one, right? Where GA is equal to new glide ajax. Sysparam underscore name. So here in the script include, I am going to define a function. Don't give the space between these guys. Okay. So current logged in user, right? Current logged in user only, right? We have to assign to current logged in user, right? You don't have to get it anything from client side, because you have in the server side to get the current logged in user information. We have gs.getUser ID. So we don't have to get it from client to server. Where gr is equal to, so you have to get it. What do you have to get it? Which particular records you have selected? Those records you have to pass it to server. These records you selected, right? So those records you have to pass it to server. So all the syside is comma separated, you will get. How many records you checked? Those many records sysides will be coming as comma separated. GA dot this dot. Okay. So you will be getting the sysad is comma separated. You have to split it. So I'm actually populating the current logged in user details here. In the assign to, I'm populating current logged in user details. Hmm? See, assign to me UI action. I did not select anything here. When I click on this one, it has to show an alert, but it is not showing. Please select at least one record. So if I select one record, this record, if I select click on assign to me, it has to update the assign to person updated the assign to successfully. Okay, so where is assign to here? Assign to person is not updated. Do you guys think it is not updated? It is updated.
It
You
has to
have,
refresh, right?
yeah. Hmm? Refresh should be automated. We have to make sure we are refreshing the list. How do you refresh the list? Window dot location dot reload. Hmm? I have told you, right? I'll show you. This is full of UI actions, man. This line will actually refresh the list. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull the assign to okay. I am selecting 1, 2, 3 records. Just clicking on assign to me. Okay. Updated the assign to successfully. Only one record updated, huh? Why only one record updated? Tell me, guys, can any one of you guys imagine? Can any one of you guys try to understand the script? Tell me why exactly it is updating only only one record. Huh?
grga dot update should be outside
If I keep outside, what happens?
because it will update only once now, because it will go to each statement. It will return it. It won't loop.
Hmm? Hmm.
It won't loop, right? It will return there itself.
Yes, you are right. You are right. Good catch. Here, Hmm. You have to update it outside the outside the I think somewhere we have used that logic. See here. I think after the for loop, we have to keep after for loop, I believe. Okay. I'm just refreshing this one. So I'm selecting this one, this one, this one, this one. Assign to me. See, all the records should assigned to person is updated as current logged in user or not. Whatever the records that you selected, after clicking on that button, you are able to assign it to current logged in user, right?